Yo, Jaro, what's going on, bro? I'm currently doing a video where I'm doing cold outreach in a fucking cold shower, bro. While shaving my head. This is so fucking crazy. But, shit. I saw you had your YouTube channel, man, with fucking Boulder, and I think it was, you got like 140 subs. Oh, fuck. Look, I'm fucking making a video, bro, and, no, I'm just reaching out, man, because, I mean, obviously, you know, I'm fucking selling you something. I said I'm doing cold outreach here, bro, and you're just such a fucking perfect fit for what we do, bro, okay? Because basically we'll help you to make your first 2K a month with your YouTube and with coaching. And the best part is that, fuck, I completely forgot my script, man. We do it fucking paying results. Oh, fuck. If you're interested, I can just send it back a little video explaining more info, bro, but yeah, this is fucking mad. Have an amazing day, Jared. Bye-bye, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, what's going on, bro? My name's Sam Walford. I'm a 17-year-old dropout entrepreneur from Coventry in the UK, and this is the fucking publicity stunt we're doing here. There we go. Video sent. As you know, as I said, I help self-improvement coaches, so as you can see on the little paper, if you want to make your money, join the fucking course. Oh, shit. Yeah, what's going on, bro? I probably look like fucking mad right now, but that's because I'm doing a YouTube video, where I'm doing cold outreach in a cold shower, while shaving my head. So, hello. Shit, I fucking forgot your name. You're the, autism guy. Sorry, man, I forgot your name. This is personalized outreach. But, anyway, man, are you trying to get your first 2K per month? Because if so, I do want to be completely honest with you, bro. And I do want to tell you I am trying to sell you something here. In a very particular way, because, shit, I forgot my fucking script, I can't focus. What was I saying? Yeah, the reason I'm messaging you particularly, man, because you're just such a fucking perfect fit for what we do, you know, but I don't like pitching people without their consent. So if you do consent, just send over a little thumbs up, and I can send you back a video explaining more info on how I can help you, bro. We welcome paying results as well, so hopefully that makes you a little bit more interested, but yeah, have an amazing day. Fuck, I forgot your name, man. You're the autism guy. Anyway, have an amazing day, bro. Bye-bye. Oh, man, this is fucking horrible, bro. This is pain. Oh, fuck. Hey, what's going on, bro? It's probably looks fucking crazy as fuck, man, but that's because I'm doing a video where I'm doing cold outreach in a cold shower while shaving my head. Fuck. Basically, man, the reason I'm messaging you, bro, is because I'm really confident I can help you to make your first 2K per month with your YouTube. I think you took your YouTube down, but you're helping guys to quit social media and everything. I remember seeing it. And the reason I'm messaging you, man, is because you are just such a fucking perfect fit for what we do, bro. And the thing is, I don't like fucking pitching people without their consent. I know this is pretty fucking weird. I know you haven't given consent for this, but I don't like pitching people without their consent, man. We do work on a pay and results basis, though, so if you are interested, then just send over a little thumbs up, and I can send you back a quick video explaining more info on what we do. But yeah, have an amazing day, bro. Bye. Fuck, man, that's fucking mad. Oh, shit. There you go, that's Sam. Oh, fuck, man. What am I fucking doing with my life, bro? How does this correlate with making money online is what I want to fucking know, bro. But once again, there's absolutely no pressure to if you don't want to, but if you want to get my entire course for free on how to make money with self-improvement coaching, then it's in the description. Just for extra context, my average client makes $3,700, so in the first 60 days, so this shit does work. But yeah, have an amazing day, bro. Bye-bye.